Hey guys, are you want to buy best tonneau covers for pickup trucks? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best tonneau covers for pickup trucks that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Whalemotor Hard Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. This fiberglass trifold tonneau cover is a premium choice for Chevrolet Silverado and GMC Sierra owners. Custom built to fit 2007 to 2025 Silverado and Sierra 1500 6.6-foot beds and 2007 to 2019 2500/3500 HD, it ensures a snug, secure fit while supporting multi-flex tailgates. The fiberglass construction stands out for its durability, capable of withstanding rain, snow, and even hail without denting, making it a long-lasting investment. Installation is refreshingly simple with a clamp-on, no-drill system that allows quick attachment or removal. Security is also a priority, thanks to reinforced hinges, strong latches, and reliable locking mechanisms that keep cargo safe from theft. Beyond protection, the aerodynamic design enhances fuel efficiency and stability at highway speeds, eliminating the flapping common with soft covers. The package includes extra weather stripping, 6 clamps, and an impressive 60-month warranty, offering peace of mind along with superior performance. Now our second product is Symthacy Soft Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. This trifold tonneau cover is an excellent upgrade for Ram 1500 owners seeking both style and protection. Designed to fit 2009 to 2018 Dodge Ram 1500, 2019 to 2024 Ram 1500 Classic, and 2019 to 2025 new body with 5.7-foot beds, excluding Ram box, split tailgate, and bed track system, it delivers a precise, custom fit. The trifold design paired with a tailgate lock transforms your truck bed into a weatherproof storage space, keeping cargo safe from rain, snow, dust, and prying eyes. Built with a double-layer PVC material, it's resistant to UV rays and highly durable, supported by powder-coated rails and aluminum clamps for extra stability. Installation is effortless, no drilling or special tools required, so you can have it secured within minutes. Beyond function, its contoured, modern profile adds a sleek aesthetic that enhances your truck's overall look while offering dependable protection. Our third product is Tyger Auto T3 Soft Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. This US patented trifold tonneau cover is built to perfectly fit select Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra models. Compatible with 2019 to 2025 Silverado/Sierra 1500 new body style, as well as 2022 Silverado 1500 LTD and Sierra 1500 Limited with 5 feet 10 inches, 70-inch beds, it ensures a precise fit when verified through Amazon's Confirmed Fit tool. Constructed from heavy-duty 24 ounces marine-grade vinyl, reinforced with aircraft-grade aluminum frames and stainless steel clamps, the cover offers long-lasting strength and weather resistance. Pre-assembled horizontal crossbars provide extra support while allowing full bed access when folded. Installation is simple with no drilling required, though minor trimming may be needed for over-the-bed rail liners. Its sleek design not only protects cargo but also enhances your truck's appearance. Backed by a limited lifetime warranty for US customers, this cover combines durability, convenience, and peace of mind. Now number 4, Autosaver 88 Soft Quadfold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. The Autosaver 88 Soft Quadfold Tonneau Cover is designed for precision and durability, offering a perfect fit for 2009 to 2025 Dodge Ram 1500 trucks with 5.7-foot beds, including 2019 to 2024 Classic and 2019 to 2025 new body style, excluding Ram box, split tailgate, and bed track system. Its no-drill, bolt-on installation makes setup quick and hassle-free, while the roll-up design provides broader access and flexibility compared to traditional trifold covers. Built with UV and cold-resistant PVC, this cover stands strong against all weather conditions, ensuring lasting protection for your cargo. An upgraded buckle system enhances security, featuring a non-deformable aluminum wire, adhesive-coated bolts to protect threads, and a spring latch for safe driving without accidental releases. Beyond utility, its sleek, modern profile adds a stylish edge to your truck, combining rugged performance with a refined appearance for everyday reliability. And our last choice is Gator EFX Hard Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. The Gator EFX Hard Trifold Tonneau Cover delivers rugged protection and sleek design for 2021 to 2024 Ford F-150 trucks, including Raptor and Lightning models with 5 feet 7 inches beds. Proudly made in the USA with global materials, it features heavy-duty aluminum panels coated with a UV-protective, scratch-resistant black powder finish. Each panel locks automatically when closed, ensuring enhanced security for your cargo. Installation is quick and simple, taking less than 30 minutes without tools or drilling, while its flush-fitting, low-profile design gives your truck a modern, streamlined appearance. Designed with an integrated water management system and specialized seals, the EFX keeps out rain, snow, dust, and debris, ensuring cargo remains safe and dry in all weather conditions. Combining durability, style, and ease of use, this hard trifold cover is an excellent choice for truck owners who demand both protection and aesthetics. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.